Welcome back to another of my quick walking tour video. Today, it is a visit to Landers Superstore in Bacolod City. Landers is a membership shopping store that offers a wide range of products, from groceries and household items to appliances and furniture. It also has a barbershop, a dining area, a coffee shop, and a gas station within its premises. It is a one-stop shopping experience for its members. Landers Superstore has opened its biggest store in Bacolod City on August 13, 2023. It is located at the Upper East by Megaworld, a 34-hectare township that is envisioned to be the new central business district of Bacolod. The store is directly connected to the Upper East Mall and is across from two residential condominiums. Landers Superstore Bacolod is the first store in Western Visayas and the second in the Visayas region, after Cebu. It is also the 7th store nationwide. Landers Bacolod is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. To become a member, you can apply online at landers.ph, or visit the store and present a valid ID. The membership fee is 800 pesos for premium members and 400 pesos for extension members. You can also avail of the business membership for 1,000 pesos. Overseas Filipino Worker or OFW membership is for free. Please check on their website for current fees or promos. The mentioned amounts may have changed at the time this video was posted. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo or the YouTube subscribe symbol on the lower right corner of this video. Looking forward to create more content with my travel adventures. Thank you again for the support.